Hi everyone, I'm Whit Roy. In this short lesson, we are not going to study RCD or MCB theory in detail. We will just practice how to look at the label and symbols on an RCD, RCBO or MCB and then identify what type it is. Let's look at this device. First, I check the label. I can see C63. That means it is a C-curve 63 amp device. This is a C-curve MCB. I can see 400 volt AC and 50 Hertz. This means it is rated for 400 volt AC, 50 Hertz. I can also see 6000. This means the short circuit breaking capacity is 6000 amps or 6 kA. I can see the handle is linked across 2 poles and 2 circuit breaker symbols. So it is a 2-pole 400 volt C63 MCB. Let's look at this device. First, I check the label. I can see NL210 and type B. I can also see I delta in 0.03A. That means it trips at 30 milliamps earth leakage. I can see 63A. That means the normal rated current is 63 amps. I can see 400V, 415V AC, 50 Hertz. That means it is rated for a 400 or 415 volt AC supply. Now look at the symbols. The symbols can detect AC leakage, pulsating DC leakage, smooth DC leakage, and high frequency AC leakage, so it is type B RCD. Type B RCDs are used for equipment such as EV chargers, solar inverters, battery systems, and variable speed drives. I can see IM equals I delta M equals 630A. This means the RCD contacts can safely make and break residual fault current up to 630 amps under test conditions. I can also see INC equals I delta C equals 10000A. This means the conditional short circuit rating is 10000 amps or 10 kA when it is protected by a suitable upstream protective device. There is also a test button. So this device has an RCD function. Now look at the terminals. I can see N135 at the top and N246 at the bottom. This means it is a 4-pole RCD for 3-phase and neutral. This is a 3-phase type B 30 milliamp 63 amp RCD. It provides earth leakage protection, but it does not provide overload or short circuit protection by itself. Let's look at this device. First, look at the symbols. The symbol can detect AC leakage, pulsating DC leakage, so it is type A RCD. I can also see T is less than or equal to 0.1 S. That means the tripping time is less than or equal to 0.1 second when tested under the specified condition. This is a 1-phase type A 30 milliamp 240 volt 63 amp RCD. Let's look at this device. First, look at the symbols. The symbols can detect AC leakage, pulsating DC leakage. This is a 3-phase type A, 30 milliamp, 415 volt 63 amp RCD. Let's look at this device. Now look at the symbols. The symbols can detect AC leakage. This is a 1-phase type AC, 30 milliamp, 230 volt 25 amp RCD. Let's look at this device. First, look at the symbols. I can see the AC sine wave symbol, so it is a type AC RCD. I can also see the letter S. This is a type S RCD. The S means selective or time delay. I can see 100A. That means the normal rated current is 100 amps. I can see 100 MA. That means it trips at 100 milliamps earth leakage. I can see 230 VAC. That means it is for a single phase 230 volt AC supply. So this is a single phase type AC type S 100 milliamp 230 volt 100 amp RCD. It provides earth leakage protection with time delay, often for backup protection or fire protection, but it does not provide overload or short circuit protection by itself. Let's look at this device. This is an RCD protected socket outlet. It is also called an SRCD, which means socket residual current device. I can see RCD protected on the label. I can see 250V and 20A. I can also see I delta N30MA. So this is a 250 volt 20 amp socket outlet with a built-in type A 30 milliamp RCD. Let's look at this device. The symbols show it is a type F RCD. Type F includes type A operation, but it is also suitable for high-frequency leakage currents. It is often used with equipment such as frequency converters, electronic ballasts, and some motor drive appliances. So this is a type F 30 milliamp 40 amp RCD. Let's look at this device. I can see C40. C40 means it is a C-curve 40 amp MCB device. I can also see I delta N0.03A type A symbol and a test button. That means it has 30 milliamp type A RCD protection. From the diagram, I can see both the MCB symbol and the RCD symbol. So this device combines MCB protection and RCD protection. The label shows 4,500. So the short circuit breaking capacity is 4,500 amps or 4.5 kA. So this is a C40 30 milliamp type A RCBO. It provides earth leakage, overload and short circuit protection. Let's look at this device. I can see MB4 LEAFD. AFD means it has an arc fault detection function. I can also see C16. That means it has a C-curve 16 amp MCB function for overload and short circuit protection. I can see I delta N0.03A type A symbol and a test button. That means it also has 30 milliamp type A RCD protection. From the diagram, we can see the MCB function, the RCD function, and the AFD function together. So this device is an AFDD with MCB and RCD protection built in. It provides arc fault, earth leakage, overload, and short circuit protection. Let's look at this device. I can see 100 A4P and 100 MA. That means it is a 100 amp 4-pole RCD with 100 milliamp earth leakage protection. I can also see type S. Type S means selective or time delay. I can see the type A symbol, so it can detect AC leakage and pulsating DC leakage. I can see 240, 415 VAC. That means it can be used on single phase or 3-phase AC supply, depending on the circuit connection. So this is a 4-pole type A, type S 100 milliamp, 100 amp RCD. Let's look at this device. This is an HPM RCD with 2-meter lead. It has a test button and a reset button. It provides earth leakage protection for portable equipment. It is commonly used for outdoor work, workshops, and temporary power. Let's look at this device. This is an RLEC 4-outlet portable power block. It has a built-in Type FS RCD safety switch. Type FS is not the same as Type AC, Type A, Type F, or Type B. Those types tell us what kind of residual current waveform the RCD can detect. Type FS is mainly used on portable RCD safety switches. FS means fail-safe. It is designed to disconnect if the supply active or neutral is lost. So this is a PRCD or portable RCD device. It is a portable power block with a built-in Type FS RCD safety switch. It provides earth leakage protection for portable equipment. It is commonly used for workshops, outdoor work, and temporary power. Let's look at this device. This is a Medilec RCD protected socket outlet. The product information says it uses a Type 1 RCD. I can see 10 MA on the label. That means it trips at 10 milliamps earth leakage. But remember, 10 milliamps alone does not always prove it is Type 1. To confirm Type 1, we need the product information or marking to show it meets the Type 1 requirement, including the fast trip time. Type 1 RCDs are used for extra sensitive protection, especially in medical or patient areas. So this is a medical socket outlet with built-in Type 1 10 milliamp RCD protection. Let's look at this device. First, I check the label. I can see D63. That means it is a D-curve 63 amp device. This is a D-curve MCB. I can see 400 volt AC and 50 Hertz. This means it is rated for 400 volt AC 50 Hertz. I can also see 6,000. This means the short circuit breaking capacity is 6,000 amps or 6 kA. I can see the handle is linked across 3 poles and 3 circuit breaker symbols. So it is a 3-pole 400 volt D-curve 63 amp MCB. Let's look at this device. First, I check the label. I can see B63. That means it is a B-curve 63 amp device. It is a 2-pole 400 volt B-curve 63 amp MCB. Let's look at this device. It is a 1-pole 230 volt C-curve 40 amp MCB. Let's look at this device. It is a 1-pole 230 volt D-curve 16 amp MCB. Let's look at this device. It is a 3-pole 400 volt C-curve 63 amp MCB. Well done. Now you have practiced how to recognize different RCDs, RCBOs, MCBs, AFDDs, and portable RCD devices by looking at the labels and symbols. Remember, always check the device name, current rating, trip rating, test button, and type symbol. That is the quickest way to know what protection the device provides. Thanks for watching and see you soon again.